we have to draw. I forgot about that. Okay, be quiet, kids. Okay, that's it. Now we should draw the eyes. And the eyes are good. And let's. How can I vlog it? It's so vloggy. How vloggy? It's so vloggy. Wait, that's not a budgie. That's kind of melting budgie. Oh my gosh. This is too hard. No!
You scared me. I didn't know what was that creature. I was like,
There. And then now the wings. We should try this like this. Wait.
girl, I didn't know you showered.
Yes. There where the
Open
trend
the
is.
door.
Where's the trend if we do it? So.
Your TV's still on.
And
You are my enemy.
that's cool. That's cool.
I was just watching Erica. Hey.
And we can't like. We should color it and.
You know
Yeah.
what everything is
Okay.
like?
Ugh. I think it's so good and I think it's a budgie. Budgie, budgie, budgie. Budgie, 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 budgie. Budgie, 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 budgie. Budgie, 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 budgie. This is too fast. Whoa. Budgie, 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 budgie. Oh my gosh. It's too hard. Too hard to color. Oh my gosh, what happened? I'm fast. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What do we do? Oh my gosh. Wait. Okay. What? Okay. Now we're done with it. Scissors. You have to cut it out. Wait. Cut it out. I'm gonna cut it out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's too hard to cut out. I'll never watch Dragon Puppets. Whoa! Oh my gosh, this is too hard. What are we gonna do? Okay, now we should tape it where, and then I will see it where if I use a tape. I know how to. I'm gonna cut it. Wait. That's good. And okay, now we're gonna roll it up. Okay. Now we're done. Thank you for